Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We are in lesson 10 on the bottom of page 16. Here, this is a new rule. It's teaching us when you have one sound, like you have a letter like ba with a fatha, there's an extra alif here, and the alif extends the sound. So instead of it being a ba with the alif saying ba, this alif extends it to ba. Not ba, but ba. You see, it's just slightly longer. So let's read across and see how that sounds. Ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ba, ta, dha, a, غا فا قا كا لا ما نا وا ها آ يا. Now we are going to read the exercises for our lesson 10 that we just did. And this is the exercises for it on the top of page 17. Okay, here we go. ذات خاف كان قال ران تاب عاد نارا هاد مالك عام ثوابا أفاق يخاف أصاب جناح كواعب Next category. Next section, we should say جاعل خالدا ثبات كاتب غاسق فواكه رواسي مواخر أنامل